Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, may panibagong site naman tayong pagkakitaan. Ito ang coinminingtrx.com. So paano nga ba makapag-register dito sa ating site? Ilagay lamang ang ating username, then yung ating password. So after natin fill up to guys, click lang natin itong register. So yun nga guys, once na nakapag-sign up at nakapag-login na tayo sa ating site, may latest announcement sa atin si coinminingtrx.com. So, ang ating latest announcement is hello after a comprehensive upgrade by the technical department at present as long as your TRX transfer is successful. You need to return to the platform and click on the recharge page. Recharge complete and the account will be credited in seconds. Be sure to use the bound wallet address to transfer money. Submit the corresponding order amount. If you have any question, please feel free to contact the platform customer service. I wish you all success and earn more TRX together. Currently, has me than 10 self-built mines, cooperative mines all over the world leading one-stop blockchain computing power ecosystem, coin mining, Tronintegrates 19 countries regions in the world with me than 1 million mines machine. In December 2021, Thrones miners earned nearly 3 billion US dollar. So professional mining integrity company looking for the only official link coinminingtrx.com/index.html /register/468168. Company legal white paper paper.coinminingthrone.com/doc.pdf. So official Telegram customer service t.me/coinminingthrone. Then WhatsApp customer service is wa.me/+852914958891. So introduction to the top 10 mining bases in the world. Number 1, Throne Number 1 mine located next to the Gully Power Station in the upper reaches of the Columbia River in Washington State in the northwestern United States. Throne Number 2 mine located next to the Tucuri Power Station in the northern Brazil. Throne Number 3 mine located in the Zambezi River Gears, Zimbabwe next to the Mozambique Batiower Station. Throne Number 4 mine located in the lower reaches of the Tocantins River in the Amazon region of the northern Brazil next to the Tucuri Station. Throne Number 5 mine located next to the Tucumay Station in the lower reaches of the Caroni River in Venezuela. Throne Number 6 mine located in the upper reaches of the Parana River on the border of Brazil, Paraguay next to the Itaipu Power Station. Throne Number 7 mine located next to the nuclear power station in Kelgar, Karnataka on the banks of the Kalinadi River in India. Throne Number 8 mine located at the upper reaches of the Zingo River and the lower reaches of the Amazon River in Brazil, next to the Malaysian Power Station. Throne Number 9 mine located next to the Guri Power Station in eastern Venezuela. And then the last one is the Throne Number 10 mine located at the upper reaches of the Yenisei River in Sibir next to the Shayan Shoyek Power Station. Registration reward 6,000 TRX. Minimum funds is 5 TRX. Minimum daily profit 5%. Cumulative 5 to 30,000 TRX daily minimum profit 5%. Cumulative of 30,001 to 100,000 TRX daily minimum profit 5.5%. Cumulative 100,001 to 200,000 TRX daily minimum profit 6%. Cumulative of 200,001 to 500,000 TRX daily minimum profit 6.5%. Cumulative of 500,001 to 1 million TRX daily minimum profit 7%. Cumulative of 1,001 to 10 million TRX daily minimum profit 7.5%. Cumulative of 10 million and 1 to 100 million TRX daily minimum profit 8%. The minimum of daily withdrawal amount is 5% of the fund. The daily maximum withdrawal is 10% of the team, 7% of daily mining income. Mining proceeds are settled at the 12 a.m. Singapore time. Recommend recharge to get reward to get rich reward. Recommend new user charge reward 13% for first level users, 5% for second level users, and 2% for the third level users. For example, the member registered through your referral link is your first level user. Your first level user recharge 1000 TRX, you can get 130 TRX commission reward, commission rebate 30%. For example, the customer that your first level user invites to register through his referral link in your second level user. Your second level user recharge 1000 TRX, you can get 50 TRX commission reward. Commission rebate 5%. For example, the customer that you re- the customer that your second level user invites to register through his referral link is your third level user. Your third level user recharge 1000 TRX. You can get 20 TRX commission reward. Commission rebate 2%. And then recommend more user to join your promotion link, and the more commission reward you get, the commission charged by the recommended user will go directly to your promotion account and you can withdraw it directly. So yun guys, once na nakapag-sign up tayo at login, meron tayong total balance dito na 6,000 TRX kay coin mining. So, ang TRX, pag kinonvert siya sa ating dollar is 360. So yun guys, mag-proceed tayo sa ating trading. So yun guys, once na nakapag-proceed tayo sa ating trading, so trading profit is 24-hour settlement. So cloud mining is working positive 5%. So mag-proceed naman tayo sa ating invest. So once nakapag-proceed tayo sa ating invest, we have here the basic, product list, and invest. So basic, we have current level is BAP1, and then we have here the sixth level of BIPs. So we have here the level, deposit quantity, and income. So level 1, BAP1 is 5 to 30,000. Deposit quantity is income is 5%. BIP2, 30,001 to 100,000. Income is 5.5%. BIP3, 100,001 to 200,000 is income is 6%. BAP4, 200,000 to 500,000 is income is 6.50%. BAP5, 500,000 to 1 million, deposit quantity is income is 7%. BAP6, 100,001 ay 1,000,001 to 99999 is income is 8%. So, magtungo naman tayo sa ating product list, guys. So, kapag nakapagtungo tayo sa ating product list, we have here the TRC20 to TRX 7-day cycle, daily rate 2%, cycle 7 days. So, and then TRC20 to TRX 60-day cycle, daily rate 5%, cycle 60 days. And then TRX20 to TRC20 to TRX 90-day cycle, daily rate 7%. And then TRC20 to TRX is 180-day cycle, daily rate 8%. And then the last one is the TRC20 to TRX 365-day cycle, daily rate 10%. So magtungo naman tayo sa ating share. So yun guys, paano nga ba tayo makapag-earn ng rewards dito sa ating site? Meron tayo dito ang QR code, and then the invitation codes, and then yung ating referral link. So paano nga ba tayo makapag-earn ng rewards? So kakopy lang natin tong ating link, then i-share lang natin siya through social media like Facebook, Instagram, at Messenger. And then guys, pagpunta tayo sa ating mine. So yun guys, meron tayo, once na nakarating tayo sa ating mine, meron tayong total balance na dito na 6,000 TRX, and we have here the deposit and withdrawal. So yun guys, paano nga ba tayo mag-deposit dito sa ating site? I-click lamang atin ng ating deposit. So, nandito tayo sa ating recharge. So, we have here the transfer to basic account and then the transfer to promotion account. So, be sure to use the bound wallet address to transfer money, submit an order for the corresponding amount, wait patiently for a few minutes, and the recharge will automatically arrive in your account. Before investing, please choose a basic account or a promotion account according to your needs. First, recharge to the basic account. The cycle is 1 year. The income will be credited to the account every day according to the Singapore time zone after 24, and the principal will be returned when it comes expires. And the second one is a recharge to the promotion account to purchase periodic mining machines. You can collect income in different cycle and return the principal in and income when it expires. So yun guys, click lang natin tong ating transfer to basic. So yun guys, once na naklik na natin transfer to basic account, meron itong wallet address, and then yung ilalagay nyo lang yung ating password, then yung confirmation niya. Then after nyo ma-fill upan guys, click nyo lang tong continue. So yun nga, once na nakapag-deposit na tayo, meron tayo lalabas dito nga yung ating QR code at yung ating copy address. So click lang natin tong confirm recharge. I-enter lang pala natin yung ating amount. Then click natin yung confirm recharge. So yun nga guys, submitted is complete. Please wait for the balance to change. So click lang natin yung complete. So yun guys, nandito na nga tayo sa ating transfer to basic. So ikakopy lang natin itong ating link para makapag-deposit ito sa ating site. Then punta tayo sa ating Binance. So yun guys, once na nandito tayo sa ating Binance, magtungo tayo sa ating withdraw. Then TRX Tron. Then send via crypto network. So yun guys, ilolong press lang natin dito at ipipaste yung kinapin natin na link galing sa ating site. Then ilalagay lang natin yung ating desired amount. So yun nga guys, once na-paste na natin yung ating link dito sa ating SendTRX, then yung ating desired amount, i-click lang natin tong ating withdrawal. Then confirm. So yun nga, may mag-send sa atin ng verification code sa ating cellphone number and then yung sa ating Gmail. So yun guys, once na nalagay na natin yung ating verification code dito sa ating cellphone number at Gmail, i-click lang natin itong ating submit. So yun nga guys, no, request submitted na yung ating withdrawal dito sa ating Binance account. So magtungo naman tayo sa So yun nga guys, no, submitted na yung ating deposit dito sa ating site. Nahihintay lang natin siya pumasok dito sa ating site. Then magtungo naman tayo sa ating withdrawal. So yun nga guys, no, once na tayo sa ating withdrawal, i-enter lang natin yung ating desired amount na ating i-withdraw. And then click lang natin tong choose withdrawal account sa digital currency wallet. Then yung guys, makikita din natin dito yung ating Binance account. Then click lang natin yung password natin guys. Then click lang natin tong withdrawal. So break tayo sa ating mine. So yun nga guys, no, napaka-legit talaga ng ating site, no. Huwag nang kalimutan na mag-register, then i-click yung ating subscribe button, then yung ating notification bell para mas update pa kayo sa mga i-release ko mga video.